Meaning of fuzzy.
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 Fuzzy. Fuzzy refers to something that is unclear, vague, or indistinct in nature. It can be used to describe a situation, object, or idea that lacks clear boundaries or definition. For example, a fuzzy memory might mean you only remember bits and pieces of an event. Fuzzy logic is a type of reasoning that allows for partial truths and uncertainty to be taken into account. Fuzzy images or sounds may lack sharpness or clarity. Overall, fuzzy suggests a lack of precision or specificity, leading to ambiguity and confusion.